Hey, this is Snehil from GB Media, and we have done a mini audit on your brand whose name is Pampers Chef, which come under the home and kitchen category. So when I was deep diving into your brand, I got to know that the sales has increased in month of December, followed by the month of July. Also, the sales has took a spike in month of November. If I talk about the overall demand scenario as well, I can see that the demand was high in month of January, followed by the month of July. Again, the demand has spiked in month of November. Also, these are the top of the popular keyword which is relevant for your category and brand. So you can see keyword like salad chopper, French fries cutter, onion chopper, food chopper. It's some keyword which is very relevant for you. But when I check this keyword on the Amazon, I'm not seeing you are going very aggressive on this keyword. So for an example, if I took one keyword which is French fry cutter, so now you can see that when I typed French fry cutter, I'm not seeing your brand coming on the top of the search place, because right now you can see that sponsor brand placement has been taken by Sopito. Talking about the sponsor product placement as well, this all competitor has been bidding very aggressive on this particular keyword. Talking about the videos as well, I'm not seeing you are coming over here. So securing the placement over here is very crucial, because as per Amazon data, 70 to 80% of the sale has happening in top of the search placement. This is not the one keyword I have identified, because if I take this keyword as well, which is vegetable chopper. So for this keyword also, you can see that this full star has taken the placement for sponsor brand. Followed by sponsor product also, you're not going very aggressive here as well. Talking about the videos placement as well, I can't see you are going very aggressive on this particular videos campaign as well. So it's important for you to go for a aggressive targeting on this keyword, as it will help you to get more and more NTB orders, plus your conversion rate will also be increased. Because as per studies also, we have seen that if you are running sponsor brand and sponsor brand video, your CTR is improving much better and your conversion rate can increase up to 20 to 25%. This is all about the non-brand keyword. But if I talk about the sponsor product and sponsor brand for your keyword as well, if you talk about this particular keyword, which is Pampers Chef Chopper, I'm not seeing you as a brand coming over here, because right now you can see that this particular brand has taken over the placement. Talking about the sponsor product also, here as well, your brand is not coming at all. Talking about the sponsor brand videos also, you are not coming over here. This is not the one keyword under brand. If I talk about this particular keyword, which is Pampers Chef French fry cutter, I'm not seeing you as coming in sponsor brand side, plus your sponsor product side as well. Video side also, you are not coming at all. So it's very important if you are securing this keyword, because these all keyword are relevant for you, and these keywords are your brand keywords only. So this is the product opportunity tool, and here is some of the search term which is very relevant for you. For example, this French fry cutter, this French fry cutter for potato, and etc. But here also on the top 3 clicked product, your brand is not at all coming here, because right now you can see that this prep work plus this other brand, this POP is taking all the clicks. So it's important for you to go aggressive on this keyword so that you can get in the top 3 clicks. Also, I was deep diving in one of your listing here. So I realized that you are not utilizing your defense campaign very aggressively. So right now on this listing, you can see that this particular brand has taken over the placement on your PDP. If I talk about other placement as well, you can see that here plus here you are not coming at all. Talking about the defense campaign in sponsor product ad, you can see that other brand is coming over here. For example, you can see that all the other brand is coming over here. So it's very important for you to do a defense campaign so that you can actually safeguard your ASIN from the competitor. If I talk about sponsor brand defense also, you can see that these 3 brand are not from your side. These are all the competitor brand. So this is the mini audit we have performed for you, but if you are interested for an overall audit, do let us know and connect with us, as we have shared the form with you. You can fill the form as it is completely free.